So in this video guys, I will show you all the hidden camera settings and camera tips so you can use your camera as a professional and take better photos and videos using these tips on your Realme 5, 5i and all other Realme mobile phones as well. So before starting the video guys, if you are new on my channel, then I request you to hit the like and subscribe button on my channel. So first of all guys, we'll click on the top right corner, and after that we'll click on the settings option. And after clicking on the settings option, we'll scroll down, and here you can see two options. They are not enabled. So to enable them, we'll go back. And after going back, we'll just click on the video. After clicking on the video, we'll go again to the settings. And after going to the settings, we'll just scroll down and you will see that the two options have been enabled. So we'll click on the video resolution option, and after clicking on it you can see 1080p has been selected. So for the best video results we'll click on the 4K option. So after clicking on the 4K option, we'll go back and click on video encoding. After clicking on it you can see efficient has been selected. So if you want to have a small video size, you can select it, but for the best video result we'll click on best compatibility. So after clicking on best compatibility, we'll go back and we'll go to the photo. And after going there, we'll click on the top right corner. And after clicking on it, here you can see the frame options. So we'll click on the frame options one more time again to select the full screen. And right now you can see that the full screen has been selected. So we'll go again on the settings. And after going again to the settings, here you can see one grid option. So we'll just click on that grid option. After going back here, you can see all these lines here. So actually most professional photographers use this option. For example, it is a measurement tool. So for example, if you want to take a picture of a person in the center, so you can take the picture of that person or that object in the center. And if you want to take the picture of someone in the sides, so you can take through this tool. So that's how you can use this tool. So another option after that, you can see the chroma boost option that is present in the Realme mobile phone's camera. So actually this option you can see in the photos that the photos taken from chroma boost and the normal photos have a big difference. So actually this one gives you an attractive look of your photos. So whenever you are taking the photos of any objects or you are taking the photos of the sceneries, I will recommend you that you should always keep the chroma boost on while taking the photos. And guys, the next option is the HDR option. So for example, if you take a picture, it doesn't have much light, it's dark. So what it will do, it will give a little bit light to the picture and make it look perfect. And if there is too much light in the photo, so what it will do, it will take the light a little bit low and make it a perfect picture. So I will recommend you, whenever you are taking the photos, you should keep the HDR option on, but whenever there are some moving objects around you, you should not keep the HDR on. So that's all guys. If you like the camera settings that I have given to you for your Realme mobile phones, then I request you that if you are new on my channel, then please hit the subscribe button on my channel. Thanks for watching.